How to secure your Facebook account. If you want to protect your account from intrusion or hackers on this space, this video is for you. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook app, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down a bit until you locate settings and privacy. Make sure to tap on it. A drop-up menu will appear. Continue to tap on settings. Then with this selected, it will redirect you to an interface like this. Make sure to wait a bit. Depending on your network, is going to take some time. Then after that, continue to tap on Meta Account Center. And with this selected, this will redirect you to an interface like this. So this is where the magic will happen. Now we're going to make sure to tap on password and security. Then allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. And first, we're going to make sure our password is changed. In order to do that, make sure to tap on change password. Then with this selected, continue to tap on the account that you want to change the password to. In this case, is this one. So first, we're going to enter our current password, then enter our new password, and then confirm it here again. So that we're going to make sure this is toggled on, which is very important because it's going to make sure all your accounts that is signed in on other devices will be automatically logged out. Then continue to tap on change password. After you are done with these settings, make sure to navigate back to this interface. Then we're going to make sure we enable the two-factor authentication by first clicking on it, then allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then on this interface, continue to select the account that you want to enable the two-factor authentication. Then allow it a bit of moment again to finish loading. Then we're going to make sure to enter our password, then continue with the few steps. And what the two-factor authentication does is an extra layer of security for anyone who wants to sign in into your account. A PIN code will be sent to you for you to authenticate it, which is very important in order to protect yourself from these hackers or intrusions. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.